Hi students, welcome to today's online class. Before going to start a new topic, let us discuss the topics which we have covered. We are in the first unit, in the last topic of first unit. Okay, see, the topics which we have covered are types of languages, history of C programming language, basic structure of C programming language, programming rules, flowcharts, algorithms, library functions, and executing C program, preprocessors in C, keywords and identifiers, constants, variables, data types, type conversion, and formatted input and output operators. And the last topic in the first unit is what? Operators. In the last class, we have started operators topic. In that, we discussed the first two operators. Now, let us see what are operators in C programming languages. There are 8 types of operators in C programming languages. There are arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, conditional operator, special operators, bitwise operators, and increment and decrement operators. We have completed these two, right? Now we have to discuss about logical, assignment, and all this. Okay. Today in this class we will discuss about logical and assignment operators. Okay. Now, what are logical operators? Logical operators are used to combine two logical expressions. Logical operators are used to combine what? Two or more expressions logical. Means there are 3 types of logical operators are there. What are they? Logical and. This is the symbol for logical and. Means a double ampersand. Logical or, this is the symbol for logical or, and logical not. Not means this exclamatory symbol. Let us see about these all logical operators. Now, truth table for logical and. Truth table means what? If any condition is true, this is expression 1, this is expression 2, this is expression 1 and 2. We are talking about this logical and, right? So we have to read about this logical expression truth tables for and, for or, and for not. If you see, if the expression 1 is true and expression 2 is true, then the expression for logical and is what? Expression 1 and 2 is what? True only. If both expressions are true, then the result should be true only. If one expression is true and another expression is false, then true and false. What we will get? False only. Next is what? If the expression is false and the expression is true, if we combine these two expressions, false and true, we will get false only. If expression is false and the second expression is false, both the expressions 1 and 2 will become false. You remember in the logical and, only when both two expressions are true, then only the resulting expression is true. Otherwise, all the expressions should be false like this. Now, let us see truth table for logical or. Logical or truth table. Here in expression 1 if it is true, in expression 2 it is true, then the resultant expression will be true only. In expression 1 it is true, in expression 2 if it is false, then the resultant expression should be true or false. Or means what? Either any one expression can be true. So it is true or false means we will get result as true. It is false, expression 1 is false and expression 2 is true, then the result we will get as true only. If the expression, both the expressions 1 and 2 are false, means what? Expression 1 are true. Here, what we can write? 1 or In expression 2, it is false. In expression 1, it is the resultant expression is false. Then the resultant expression will be true. Means expression means true. If it is expression true, then it is false. If it is false, it is result should be true. It is just opposite. The result will be opposite for the given expression. Now let us see a sample program for these three expressions. Now this is a program for logical operators. So we have included as included stdio.h and we wrote the main function here. Here we are assigning a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to 30. Okay. In printf function, what I am giving here, percentage d. Now we are giving percentage d, a greater than b and a less than c. Means what is the value of a here? The value of a is 10. Okay. 10 greater than b is what? 20. 10 greater than 20? No, it is false. 10 is not greater than 20, right? So it is false. And symbol is there. So we can take and symbol here. A less than c. What is the a value? A is 10. A less than c. What is the c value here? Yes, 10 is less than 30. So it is true. 10 is less than 30. It is true. False and true. What will be the result? I can write here false. Why? Because I know the truth table. Just before we saw it, if both the expressions are true, then only the result expression will be true. Otherwise, it is false. False and true is false. You can see in the truth table for what? Truth table for and. Okay. Just before I explained the truth table. Okay. Now look into the second statement. Next statement, that is percentage b, a greater than b. What is the a value? A value is 10 greater than 10 greater than 20. Is it true? No, it is false. Here R symbol is there. 10 value, a value is 10 and less than. It is first statement. It is second statement. 10 less than c. What is value? 30. So 10 greater than 20. It is false. Or 10 less than 30 means true. False or true. So the result will be true. Okay. So here you cannot see the output as a true or false. You will see result as a false for 0. Okay. And true for what? 1. Okay. If it is false, the display will be 0. If it is true, it displays as 1. What will be the output? You can see here now. For this statement, output will be 0. Why? Because we got here false. Next, for this statement, we will get output as true. That is what? True. True means what? 1. Now, a greater than b. A greater than b for third statement. Let us check. 10 greater than 20. No, it is false. But what is here? Logical. Not is. Not means what? Not false means what? It is true only. So the result will be what? True only. 0, 1, 1. This will be displayed on your output. Now, if we see the next operator, the next operator is what? Assignment operator. Now, what is assignment operator? Assignment operator is equal to assign values to variables. Means assign values to variables. Now, two types of assignment operators are there. What are they? Simple assignment and compound assignment. If you see the tabular form, you can understand well. What is the operator here? Is equal to. So for simple assignment, remember that only one operator is there. That is equal to symbol. You can see here. For simple assignment, only is equal to symbol is the operator. Example, a is equal to 10. This is a simple assignment operator. Here we are assigning a value division, this is modular. These all are arithmetic operators. Here, compound assignment operator means combination of arithmetic operator as well as is equal to symbol. You can see here is equal to symbol here. Okay, see is equal to symbol. Now compound assignment. So in compound assignment, here the statement will be a plus is equal to 10. A plus is equal to 10 or a is equal to a plus 10. Now a minus is equal to 10 or a is equal to a minus 10. These two will be expressions. If a plus is equal to 2, you can give, or you can give a is equal to a plus 10. A minus is equal to 10 you can give, or you can give a is equal to a minus 10. Let us see one sample program for this assignment operator. Okay. Now, this is the program for assignment operator. Okay. This has include stdio.h is the header file, the void main. Here, integer, I am declaring the variable as integer type data type. Integer a is equal to 10 means what? I am just assigning value of 10 to the variable a. Now printing, I am printing that value. Now see what we will get here output. Integer a is equal to 10. I am printing printf. We know that for printing output we will use printf function. Okay. Percentage b a. What is the value of a? 10. Okay. Value of a is 10. Okay. Now this is what is simple assignment operator. Next, if we see compound assignment operator, here for percentage b I am giving here a plus is equal to 10. It means what? A is equal to a plus 10. Okay. These two statements are same. So first, what is the value of 10? Sorry, what is the value of a? It is 10. Next, again I am printing a value. So a is equal to a plus 10 means what? A is equal to, already I got the value of a is 10. 10 plus 10 is equal to what? A is equal to 20. So final output is what? 20. For first statement it is 10. For second statement it is what? 20. This is the output for this program. Okay. Now this is about what? Assignment operator. This is about assignment operators. Now we have discussed about what? Assignment operators and logical and, logical or and, logical not. Go through all the topics which I have discussed. Once again I will review this all for you. So in operators topic, we are in operators topic. With this topic we will complete our first unit. So don't neglect, cover each and every topic. See from the first video, from where I have started the syllabus, all these topics will be covered in each and every video. Okay. Thank you for the day. We will see in the next class. Thank you.